the past week was complex for you trading wise, here is a reset. Welcome to Sickled Traders channel. So this is my weekly buyers on my 3 pairs. So let's dive right in. So starting from the weekly, so just by me looking at it, obviously we are bearish. And this low is still the long-term target. You have been with me for a while. You know that this low is our long-term target. And here on the weekly time frame, we're expecting the previous week low to be taken. Then let's move down to the daily. On the daily, we're expecting the previous day low to be taken. That is one. And we have a nice order block here. So market does not move in straight line most of the time. This order block being a daily time frame order block, it checked out a lot of things that make an order block valid. It's reacting from a fair value gap, and it's a daily time frame fair value gap, a daily time frame order block. So we are definitely going to get a reaction from that order block. Then there is a fair value gap right here. We have a fair value gap right here. A fair value gap right here. And we have a nice change in state of delivery right here. That is a daily time frame change in state of delivery right here. So we have from bullish to bearish. If you don't know what a change in state of delivery is, check out my video on CSD on YouTube. That is a nice change in state of delivery right there. So expecting the market to buy from here, except it's just too strong to just take it out. Buy from here, from this other block here. Then we should continue our sell from this change in state of delivery or from this fair value gap right here. Long term draw is still this low. Then I'll go down right to 24 hours. Here we are on 4 hours. So on 4 hours, I see very bearish, and here is a nice order block. And looking at the 4 hours, we call this accumulation and this movement down a manipulation, and we could start buying, but I don't think this high will get taken out. If it gets taken out, that means we are now bullish. So I'm expecting a continuation sell from here. But let's just see what the market has to do. It's going to draw to this or to that fair value gap there. And I'll just go down to the hourly. So right here you have nothing much. So I'll be going down to my next pair, which is Gbpusd. Here we are on Gbpusd card. So right here on the weekly, we are very bearish, and the draw on liquidity are this low and this low also. So last week I was expecting market to get to this 50% of this week and sell from there, but we didn't get that. So let's go down to daily. So right, currently the market is inside a fair value gap already. On the daily time frame, you have this fair value gap right here, and we have this down counter right here. So if you're going to buy, we use this down counter to buy a bit into this change state of delivery, this other block right here, and sell from there. So this is still the long-term draw. This low right here is still the long-term draw on liquidity. So on the 4 hours, what do we have? So on the 4 hours, you have the same thing. It's nothing much. You may get a little buy from here. Then this should continue to sell. This other block right here should continue to sell. So we go down to 2 hours. Same thing. So we already have where we want the markets to go, where the market is going to, where we may get reaction from. We should get a buy from the other block, and we should get a sell from this other block above. So let's move on to the next pair. Dollar Canada USD card. So right here we are bullish. Looking at the candlesticks, we are bullish, but we are on this fair value gap right here. But we are bullish. We expect at least the previous Friday's high to be taken. Maybe if we're going to sell, then we react from that fair value gap. That is based on weekly time frame. Then on the daily currently, we are still bullish, and we have this other block right here, last up candle before the sell down, and I have a reaction from this fair value gap. So it's a strong kind for that block plus the time frame. Then looking at this movement up, you see that it's looking as if it's being squeezed, like the candles are just too subtle. It's just too little. Then on 4 hours, I think that other block is clearer right here on the 4 hours. So right here you could see this high was swept into that fair value gap, and we have up candle with the movement down, which is this. This is how other block should be marked, and what makes it a higher probability other block for me, because I got liquidity sweep into the other block formed out of a fair value gap. If you have watched my other block video, you know that other block that formed from a fair value gap is a strong kind of other block. And right here, if you look at this movement, you see like it's creating a trend line. It's creating a trend line liquidity that is forming from here. It's creating a trend line liquidity. So if you trade USD card, or if you're looking to take a trade, if you're looking to take a trade, look for confirmation inside this. If you get a confirmation, place a sell to take out this trend line. Take out this trend line, because last week I was kind of shorting when I saw this sweep. When I saw this sweep right here, I was shorting when the market swept this high, and I got this change in state of delivery. I was shorting the market, but it didn't hold due to this was previous week high, and see, spent a lot of time inside there before taking it out. So that should hold the market. If it doesn't, then it will head for this high will be taken. If it gets taken out, I don't think this high will hold anymore. It won't hold anymore. Then go down to 2 hours. 2 hours you have nothing much. So we are bullish, a bit bullish. We are bullish on the short time on USD card. Last week I was expecting a sell from this area into this area, then continue the buy, but kept on squeezing upward. So let's check out DXY. I won't take much time. DXY. On a weekly time frame, they are very much bullish. If you're expecting a previous UI to get taken, then I think previous last week I called the buy on it also. Then on the daily, it's still very bullish and it's filling up this gap, this weekly opening gap. It's filling it up. It's filling up the gaps. It's filling up this gap, and here is another block also. If you're going to sell, may use it to sell for a while. This right here. It's another block. I'm going to sell from there. Now on the 4 hours, don't have anything much on 4 hours. Just as DXY is bullish also. But we have area of reactions just the way we have area of reaction on EU and GU. But EU and GU are bearish on the long term. So all this may still decide to run down to fill up this gap right here, because the market is either drawing to liquidity or the balancing another block. That is what this market does. So thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow me on X, Sickled Trader on X.